Hello friends, my name is Nipun Mittal and I am a 4th year undergraduate CSE student on JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. I am here to share with you my beautiful experience of GATE preparation journey. I have been motivated by one of my closest friends to pursue GATE and decided to prepare for it in my 3rd year of college. I took the help from various online materials and reference books. Since I was active in my college and have also done a two-month internship in HackerRank Bangalore, my pace of the preparation was slow, but it was consistent. My strategy was to practice questions parallel with the subject I had been preparing. It gives you a confidence in the subject. The main thing during the preparation is the determination and the right direction. I have completed my entire course and all the questions regarding each and every subject till December and kept the last month for test series. In the last month, I joined the online test series of Made Easy and regularly give all the subject-wise and full-length tests. Test series helped me a lot regarding time management and also made me aware of my weak topics and subjects. I have bookmarked all the questions I did wrong or haven't attempted in the test series and revised them on the last day of the examination to make sure I didn't repeat them in the exam. I have also become active on Facebook groups relevant to the GATE preparation and read important and tough articles on them. You have to do something different to get an edge over the others, and for me, that was studying on different platforms and grab the best out of them. The preparation for the GATE is not difficult given that your basic concepts of your BTech subjects are clear. If your basic concepts are not clear, don't worry, you just have to go an extra mile to achieve your target, and believe me, it will be worth it. My final tip to all the aspirants is to clear your basic concepts, prepare consistently, and if you ever feel disheartened, then just think, if not you, then whom? All the very best for your preparation and happy journey.